dealing with this. It's green.
Until 2:15 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., radar showed a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater 20 nautical miles northwest of Barking Sands, moving east-northeast at 15 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, locally higher seas, dangerous lightning, and reduced visibility and heavy rain. Seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn small boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below